Welcome to Broadcast Asia 2019. I'm Lara from APB, and today with us we have Fintan from Idea System. Thanks for taking this interview. Can you share with us what's cool and what's hot at Idea System booth today?
Sure, Lara. Hi, welcome. So you can see behind us here, we got quite a lot of technology on the booth. I think over the last few years at Broadcast Asia, we've been tracking the migration of the broadcast business to cloud technology, into IP technology, and also higher resolutions into things like 4K. So really, if we have a look behind us here, it's really a function of the fundamental building blocks for the solutions that our broadcasters are using to deliver these new 4K channels, to deliver solutions to the broadcasters that allow them to manage their data better and also more efficiently. So this move to IP is now, we're a few years into the move from the baseband facility into the IP facility. So we're getting more sophisticated IP multi-viewers, IP-based live streaming systems, and really kind of the next generation or the latest generation in these. So this is on the back wall of the booth. These are all kind of building blocks for our broadcast customers. Then at the front of the booth here, we have two sides here. One is a display here for HBB TV. So that's from Sofia Digital in Finland. And this is a hybrid interactive TV, so we can use the internet connection to the set-top box and the digital terrestrial together at the same time, and allow interaction with national broadcasters or local broadcasters. This is already deployed in Malaysia. And then on the other side, brand new launching here at the show is our new solution for pre-rendered cloud playout and ingest. So this is a new way, third generation broadcast technology for automation, playout, ingest in a cloud or on premise. It's a much more efficient way of running broadcast than traditional technologies. Brand new technology, highly efficient, and really quite very futuristic, right? So it's right. In terms of future technology, this is the bleeding edge now at the moment in time.
I see. So how does Idea System actually differentiate itself from the ASEAN local competitors?
Well, one thing that we have is scale. Because we operate in so many different countries, we see a lot of different requirements from our different customers, and that scale across different countries allows us to have more investment in expertise. So we might have, for example, a requirement in Singapore intermittently for some design for a studio or a new technical operations center or control room. But just on the Singapore market alone, we couldn't sustain a whole interior design team, technical interior design team. But when we add up the different countries that make up the Ideal Group, then we get economies of scale. So we have a very strong interior design team, and the same, we have a cloud department, cloud software development. We couldn't sustain that just on one. So it really, whilst we have kind of core broadcast engineering skills in all of the countries, it's really the deep level domain specialists that we can share and have a group benefit. So that allows us really to have a broader skill set available through the whole group. And I think that's the key differentiator. The local people just operating in one country, they don't have those economies of scale to be able to afford those type of skill sets.
What are some of the solutions Idea System offer to help broadcasters achieve efficiency in IP workflow?
To get efficiency in your next generation IP environment, you really have to look at your overall requirement, your overall system requirement, and that's when there's not one piece that's going to really dramatically alter that. It's how you architect the entire system, and I think that's really the value of a good systems integrator, is to come in and take that more holistic look at your technological requirement, your business requirement, your whole solution requirement. Now that said, that's from the building blocks. Then within our own cloud architecture, what we've done is kind of the same, but we've kind of knitted a lot of the fundamental building blocks together into a more holistic solution. So when we come in with the cloud solution, all of the building blocks are there. So you can opt in, you can say, I need media asset management, I need ingest, I need quality control, but that's all in the cloud environment. So while all of these different technologies here are what we build into a facility, then we have also then this cloud offering, which is all there, ready to go. You just choose how much of it you want to do. So, and very like a typical cloud payment mechanism, you just pay for what you use. So we see it two ways. We either build it from fundamental building blocks, or we offer it as a cloud services and you choose what you want to do. But again, keyword, as you said, is the efficiency in the IP workflows.
Definitely. Thank you for sharing with us today. For more information about Idea System, please visit their website.